Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up an auto-clicker on your Mac. This tool is great for automating tasks in Roblox games or any other activity you want. It's completely safe and won't pose any risk to your computer. First, open up a web browser and go to Google. Type in OP Auto-Clicker Mac. You should see the first result about OP Auto-Clicker. OP Auto-Clicker is an automation tool that lets you automate mouse clicks, and that's exactly what this program allows you to do. Next, click on the OP Auto-Clicker link. You'll see it mentions Microsoft, but if you scroll down, you'll find the Download for macOS option. Click on Download for macOS, and it will open a page where the download should begin in about 5 seconds. Give it a moment, and the download will start. Once the download is complete, you can close your browser. Go to your Downloads folder and you should see a file named OP Auto Clicker Zip. Move this file to a convenient location like your desktop so it's easy to access. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.